We,
Bro with it.
man.
That boy in the wildlife.
Damn. We in B rights, wildlife, world. It's a great view, by the way, people. The phone can't see what my eyes can see. I forgot who sung that song, because it was Missy Elliott. She didn't say it, but she said my eyes can't see. Something. My eyes can see. My phone can't see what my eyes can see.
He's walking back up at
I got that motherfucker chained up.
If the type of change to the tree, no white people like steal shit.
It's a table down there at the old park. Lake Malone. Everything. Do. People want close. I am here 3D dimensional at the fine arts of lake. See this bug? I don't know. See it? They have blue dragonflies. Yes, it's beautiful. The nature's land. I've never been this close to a dragonfly alive. Oh, big fucked up. They got where they been fishing. The little bait's still out here. Southport. Hella bugs, by the way. Y'all can't feel what the camera can't see. Oh, bugs sit on you out this month. This will be all the footage I'm gonna recover for today, people. We'll be logging back.